Hello YouTube. I don't really do too many unboxing videos, so this will be very crude according to most YouTube standards, but figure, I have the equipment, my cell phone, and I have something to unbox, so why not? Okay, here we go. This is the Aukey mechanical keyboard. It's styled after the classical typewriter keycaps. Figured I'd get one for my son because he's almost 11 years old and he's still using my old Logitech keyboard, which is fine, good, but it's almost 20 years old. Anyway, move on to the new one. So as you can see, the packaging is pretty basic. Amazingly, this mechanical keyboard only costs $35 on Amazon. While this is not the cherry blue switch, it's something that's very close. So I'm eager to find out how it feels, while I type with it. Okay. So let's see. Do it one-handed because the other hand's holding the key, holding my cell phone. Let's see. Oh, pretty interesting. So here it is. Doesn't really have too much of as much as packaging is concerned, but this ain't your typical iPhone, but your typical iPhone doesn't cost $30 either. As you can see, let me zoom in closer. Yeah, the etching on the key tops are pretty interesting. And as you note, this keyboard does not have the number keypads, which usually extend right here, which is actually a good thing for my son because, as you can see, his table is not the biggest, and among the various things is his desk space is being crowded out by all the stuff on top. So his mouse has hardly any place to roll around. This keyboard should allow him to have some greater range of movement of his mouse. As you can see, in comparison, this should give him a lot more freedom to move his mouse around. And this is how it sounds like. And compared to the Logitech Illuminate keyboard, it's a lot less clicky, right? So this one. This one. Well, you can see the difference, the old and the new. Okay? See you next time.